Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Happiness Box with Sabi. Today I am at Rattata, Hyderabad's newest and biggest gaming center, right here in MPF Times Square Mall, Banjara Hills, Hyderabad. This place is recently opened and we are here at the launch. So we are going inside to check it out, the entire place. The arcade section is massive, bright, modern, and packed with the games for every age group. It was super fun for me. I enjoyed playing the arcade games here. The energy, the light, the games, everything pulls you in. Trust me, it was a lot of fun for me as well. I really enjoyed the arcade section, totally worth it.
I was born to be free. I was born to be free.
The VR section was a blast for me. I really enjoyed it. It's one of those experiences you want to try again.
I was born to be free. I was born to be free.
All the games were very nice, but among all the arcade games, the Tom and Jerry 4-player air hockey was a standout for me. Fun, colorful, and a great group game. I really loved it. So after the arcade section, we move toward the bowling area. So this is their bowling section. You can see the 4 lanes of Brunswick bowling. The entire vibe of this place is really amazing, guys. It's fun to play here. After enjoying it bowling, we move toward the other section, which is the bumper car section.
I was born to be free.
Next, we move toward the soft play section, and this is the perfect for your kids. Bright, safe, and full of fun activities.
I was born to be free.
Soft play zone also includes a cute role play section. Kids can dress up, act, play as a different character. You can see kids are enjoying over here, and the girl was dressing up as an engineer and trying to fix up the cute little car, which was really fun while seeing. So for your kids, I think this is the best place where they can enjoy and spend more time. So that's it, guys. We are all done with this vlog. If you like the vlog, do like it, share it, and comment it. I'll see you in the next vlog. Till then, bye bye.